Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're on the hunt for the best running shoes in 2024, you're in the right place. With so many running shoes on the market, it can be overwhelming to find the perfect pair that meets your needs. That's why we've done the hard work for you. We've researched, analyzed, and compiled the top 5 best running shoes of 2024. Shoes that not only lead the pack in performance, but also shine in customer satisfaction and reviews. Whether you're a seasoned runner or just starting your journey, these models have been chosen for their comfort, durability, and style. Be sure to check out the links in the description below to learn more about each shoe and where to get your perfect pair. Let's dive in. On Cloudboom Strike LS. The Cloudboom Strike LS is the future of performance running, meticulously engineered for marathoners and serious racers aiming for their personal best. This cutting-edge shoe features On's innovative light spray technology, delivering their lightest ever upper tailored for ultimate speed and comfort. By eliminating the sock liner, On maximizes the Helion HF content, a groundbreaking bio-based hyperfoam comprising over 40% of the shoe, designed to offer exceptional energy return with every stride. The CloudTech elements work in harmony to create a faster, smoother roll-through, ensuring that each step propels you forward with efficiency and ease. Its seamless second skin fit is not only responsive, but also delivers a barely-there feel, enhancing your performance without any added weight. Despite its ultra-light build, the Cloudboom Strike LS doesn't compromise on cushioning, providing an ultra-cushioned ride that effectively absorbs impact and protects your feet over long distances. Adding to its race day advantages, the spoon-shaped speedboard is engineered to absorb and transfer energy, making each push-off more powerful. With its innovative lace-free construction, the Cloudboom Strike LS minimizes distractions, keeping you focused on the finish line. Priced at $330, this shoe is a high-performance investment for runners who refuse to settle for anything less than their fastest. HOKA Skyward X. The HOKA Skyward X is redefining road running with its blend of comfort, support, and innovative technology. Engineered for runners who value simplicity without sacrificing performance, the Skyward X features a symmetrical bed of cushions that delivers precisely the support you need. Nothing more, nothing less. This thoughtful design ensures that every stride feels natural, allowing you to focus solely on your run. The shoe's flat-knit upper provides a snug, breathable fit, while the PIBA midsole foam offers a perfect balance of lightweight responsiveness and long-lasting comfort. At the heart of the Skyward X is its revolutionary suspension system, which integrates a convex carbon fiber plate. This cutting-edge system compresses and springs with each step, propelling you forward with newfound energy and efficiency. Enhancing the smoothness of your run, the supercritical EVA rocker frame works seamlessly with the deep active foot frame to deliver a ride that's both cushioned and stable. This combination ensures that your foot stays securely in place, even on longer runs, providing confidence with every mile. Priced at $225, the HOKA Skyward X is a game-changing road running shoe that caters to those who demand both comfort and performance. Whether you're training for a marathon or simply enjoying your daily runs, the Skyward X is designed to elevate your experience on the road. Mizuno Neo Vista. The Mizuno Neo Vista is engineered to bring speed and performance to your daily runs, making every stride feel like race day. Packed with Mizuno's top-tier technology, this shoe transforms your routine into a thrilling experience. The Smooth Speed Assist is at the heart of its design, promoting a smooth mid-foot run that's perfect for long jogs or quick sprints. Paired with Mizuno Energy NXT cushioning, the Neo Vista offers a responsive and cushioned ride, making each step as comfortable as it is fast. The Neo Vista's completely knit upper delivers a sleek, natural fit that adapts to all foot types, ensuring that your runs are as comfortable as they are stylish. Made with eco-friendly materials, this shoe also aligns with a commitment to sustainability, allowing you to feel good about your choice. At the core of its performance is the Mizuno Wave Plate, which disperses impact energy across a broader area for a stable platform and superior cushioning. This, combined with the Smooth Speed Assist geometry, featuring a significant heel bevel for efficient mid-foot landings, and an aggressive forefoot rocker for a propulsive transition, ensures that your runs are smooth, fast, and fun. Priced at $180, the Mizuno Neo Vista is an excellent choice for runners who want to add a burst of speed to their daily routine without compromising on comfort. HOKA Mach X. The HOKA Mach X is your go-to running shoe for responsive, everyday performance, blending eco-conscious materials with cutting-edge technology. Designed to elevate your daily runs, the Mach X features a creel jacquard upper that offers a breathable, snug fit, supported by a gusseted construction that keeps your foot securely in place, even during intense workouts. At the core of its performance lies the ProFlyX midsole, which combines a soft, cushioned landing with a snappy toe-off, giving you the perfect balance of comfort and responsiveness. This is enhanced by the highly resilient PIBA foam, offering long-lasting bounce and energy return with every step. The propulsive P-Bax plate, 65% bio-based content embedded in the midsole, takes your runs to the next level, delivering a spring-loaded feel that propels you forward, making each stride more powerful and efficient. The Mach X isn't just about performance, it's also a testament to HOKA's commitment to sustainability. The upper is crafted from 84% recycled polyester and 16% recycled nylon, while the laces, strobel board, and eye-stay lining incorporate significant percentages of recycled materials. Priced at $180, the HOKA Mach X is an eco-friendly powerhouse that provides a responsive ride, perfect for runners who want to combine everyday comfort with the thrill of high performance. Asics Superblast 2. The Asics Superblast 2 is designed to elevate your running experience from standard to super, offering the most responsive and energized feel in the Asics cushioning range. Inspired by the vibrant energy of Paris, this shoe's colorway captures the dynamic hues of the city's sunrise and sunset, infusing your runs with a sense of vitality. At the heart of the Superblast 2 is its advanced midsole, which combines FF Blast Plus Eco and FF Turbo Plus cushioning. These cutting-edge foams, also found in Asics' Metaspeed racing models, provide an exceptionally lightweight and bouncy ride, making each stride feel effortless. Whether you're pushing for a personal best or enjoying a casual jog, the Superblast 2 ensures a smooth, responsive experience that keeps you energized from start to finish. The upper construction of the Superblast 2 features an asymmetric mesh design, offering not only superior breathability and comfort, but also a unique visual appeal. The contrasting colors on the medial and lateral sides of the shoe add an extra layer of style to your run. Priced at $200, the Asics Superblast 2 is a top choice for runners seeking unmatched responsiveness and energy return, all wrapped in a design that celebrates the vibrant spirit of Paris. Thanks for joining us today as we explored the top 5 best running shoes of 2024. We hope this guide has helped you find the perfect pair to elevate your runs. Whether you're chasing personal records or just enjoying the journey, these shoes are designed to deliver comfort, performance, and style. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more top picks and expert reviews. And remember, all the links to these incredible shoes are in the description below, so you can easily check them out and make your purchase.